Good morning, how are you? Today we're making the Nicole tote bag. And the reason it's called the Nicole tote bag is because I'm going to visit my friend Nicole this weekend. And I wanted to bring her a few little things. And I wanted to make her a little something that I think she'll like, a little surprise. It's semi-homemade. We're gonna use this tote bag from Hobby Lobby. It's this really, really cute cat print canvas. I bought 3/4 of a yard of the cat print. This, like I said, semi-homemade, easy breezy gift that beginners could make. And the canvas bag is going to save a lot of time and effort. And if you just like having fun making things like I do, this is perfect. So I'm gonna put a pin right here where the seam will be for the bottom of the bag. I'm gonna cut right here. I'm gonna cut right here along the edge. I'm gonna leave 1 1/4 at the top edge. Okay, let's see, strap length. 24 plus an inch and an inch, 26. It's exactly the length that I have, so that's gonna be perfect for the straps. We're gonna save this section. I'm cutting at the top here with my rotary cutter. Okay. See? 3/8 of a seam allowance. When you sew, we're gonna sew this neck. Now that we have this set, we can put this aside. This is the base of the bag. I'm gonna only do the front of the strap. I'm just gonna apply it right to the front. So I'm gonna cut, if this is 1 inch, I'm gonna cut 2 inches for each strap. And I'll press it, I'm gonna fold it and press it towards the center, and I'm just top stitching on. We have 2 and 2, so all we need is 4 inches out of this length. So that's what we'll do with that. My ruler is 2 inches wide. This is perfect. We're just gonna go 2 strips. All right, time to sew. They have stitched the corners. Can you see that? To make the box on the bottom. Let's model it after that because it has to fit. So we are gonna sew down 1 1/4 and then straight across. Line up, you'll line up your seam here. Make sure it's straight. We're going down 1 1/4, which is right here. And straight across, which is right here. Be sure that your seam, the bottom seam, is facing the same way on both sides. Okay, these are the same. You want the seam allowances to show, okay? because this is gonna go inside and they're gonna be hidden inside the bag. And when you look in, you're gonna see the clean finish. Now, you wanna sew your top strap fabric to the top of the straps with the seam allowance on the canvas tote facing out, all right? So I'm pinning this to line it up. I'm gonna sew these on, then we're gonna sew the top edge, and then our bag will be done. I've got these straps completed. They look really good. Outer cat print on. Line up your side seams, starting on the side. Line those up. We will sew around the top edge. Give it a last press, and then our bag will be done. The bag came out really pretty. I think she's gonna love it. Let's make our final press to get out any imperfections. Well, thank you so much for following along with me.